We are here to picking up the Polaris Slingshot SL2M two-wheeled motorcycle. Let's see, check it out, what's going on. There we go. Hey, what's up, my man? What's going on?
Not much.
Won't start?
Nope.
Did you try to jump it and everything?
Yeah, I tried all of
Okay. Okay. Do you want I can try with my thing?
What?
The jump?
Oh, you can? What?
It just no battery lights came on.
See, the
Nothing.
only thing is, though, it's funny that you said that. So, well, let me do this real fast. Because the only thing is, somebody tried to steal this before.
Oh, you said somebody tried to steal it?
So I got it. Well, no, I got it rigged, so it might not. So let me show you. Let me see something.
Sure. Okay, looks pretty good. This really looks good when it's at night. We drive with the speakers. It's good, 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 good. You need some help?
I mean, you can plug this. The little thing. Thanks, man. What's in the back? Behind. Oh, let me.
I have the thing. Don't worry.
But see, you got one. It kind of it's different. It kind of goes
Let me see though.
right here. See, I just got put them into that. You see the little black and the red thing on there?
Yeah.
Right here. So that's all. I'm just gonna plug it up. But like, see, the batteries could completely dead. So all I gotta do when I put it on this thing, it'll charge it up.
I mean, if it's a manual, I don't need to make a start. I'm just gonna tow it then.
Is it black?
If it's, how's it going, man?
Yes, man.
If it's only like it's a manual, so I just take it. I don't need to. I'm okay with that. Don't worry. I don't need to start it. Okay. Okay. So actually, before I towed this one from the front, but now we gotta tow it from the back. We need to figure out. Which side I should hook that. So yeah, need to figure out. So actually I don't find anything on the back to tow it, to put the tow hook underneath. So we're gonna spin it and make it this way, facing front. Okay, let's.
Wait, give me 1 minute. Give me one, if you don't mind, I got you.
Oh, you already put it on charge?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of going up there. Going up kind of fast.
Do you see something
it's
charging?
It's like a little gauge right here. So it'll tell you. See the 7.2? See how it's going up?
Do you want I can put my thing on it?
See, I don't know if like I know the Tesla. If you know that, yeah, I don't know like if that worked for that. You know what I mean?
So you just run with the charger or with the fuel though?
That's just like electric. It's like these was like this like made the charge that.
So it comes
battery.
with this?
Yeah, yeah.
So probably yeah. Okay, just go with this one then.
It's going up like because it usually do good at it's at like 8. It usually will start at like 13.
You want to try the crank?
Yeah, I'm just gonna try to see because that'll be easier.
Yeah. But you tried it before, it's don't work.
And it was like.
Oh, okay.
I know I got gas in there.
You got gas? Okay. Did you try to put a new battery that like diagnose something?
See, I know like this kind of battery kind of we switched it up because they really don't go dead. So like, see how that joint just charging up like that?
Yeah, I'm seeing. That's what I'm saying.
So
Yeah, like,
I ain't tried to do no new battery. Like we paid a lot of money for these batteries. So
I understand.
just trying to I don't know really. I was like, I don't know. It could be the battery. I was like, it could be the starter or something. I was like, then I had thought maybe like
If it's crank, it won't start. Like it's not a starter then. If it's a crank, I think. Let's see what I'm hearing though.
I'm trying to see if I can try to crank it while it's still on it.
Yeah, still on it. Yeah.
I know how to do that.
That's hard to sit under it.
And detach.
It starts
Started
up.
last time. Yeah. It would not start.
That's good.
That's great.
Don't cut off.
Yeah, I got. You said don't?
Don't cut off. Just let the battery charge now.
That's great.
Yeah,
That's a good thing.
that's good. Okay, I don't think so. You need my help though.
I don't think so either, brother.
Yeah, you know what you're gonna do though. I appreciate it,
Yeah,
sir.
definitely. I appreciate you, man. You was helpful, moving around, trying to help us out.
No problem. What do you do though?
Yeah. Say it again.
What do you do?
We drive trucks.
What, the big trucks?
Yeah, no, like transportation. We do like drive sprinters, like luxury transportation. Yeah.
Okay, so you have own trucks?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. You drive all America or like?
No, we just pretty much local.
Local?
DMV, you know what I mean? Berlin.
Where's the truck located? Like, where you actually located?
Oh well, we got a like a storage, like a little warehouse out in Essex.
Essex?
Yeah.
Okay. Gotcha.
Well, yeah, thanks, man.
You're welcome. Nice to talk to you. Okay. Be safe. Yeah, don't cut off. Just drive it down there. Now you know what you're gonna do, though.
Yeah, clearly. Yeah, she good. Huh? She started.
Yeah.
She was not can't go. So she
Okay. Cool. Have a good one, sir.
all right, you too, man. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Okay, so just got it started and no need a hub. Actually, that's good. Okay, let's move it to this next call. Yeah, it's a simple, silly thing sometimes. Just make sure what you guys doing. If it's a starter, like it won't crank, so you just know. It's just a battery just died. Maybe he never start, like maybe never he never got it started 2 or 3 weeks ago. Probably that's some. Okay, let's move it to the next call.